I was looking for like a university that would give me a holistic learning, and we could even talk about like a good curriculum base and a good exposure to whatever's going on around us. So I feel like I've come a long way in these 6 months, even if I've just completed my semester. I'm very happy that I am associated to Vishwakarma.
I'm a student of first year BTech Computer Science and I absolutely love it here. I was in total dilemma if I was choosing the right college, if it was the correct choice, and there were so many people with so many different opinions that were definitely not making it easier. But I still chose and I absolutely don't regret it. This is the place to be.
I joined Vishwakarma as a visiting faculty. I was not here full-time on board, but I realized that I enjoyed the culture so much and I really enjoyed the way Vishwakarma worked as a family, and that experience has been fabulous for me.
We at the Vishwakarma design our pedagogy in such a way that the matter or the syllabus is delivered to each and every student considering his capabilities of understanding that particular terminology. So they are able to relate their cross-functional areas, and thereby they can make a better career choice. Intellect level might be varied, but then what we deal with this is we have a philosophy that unto the last. So unless the concept is percolated till the last person in the class, we don't stop discussing it.
Now suppose the certain assignments are not up to the mark of the particular student, then we do give him one more chance to redo that under the observation of the faculty. I think this is one of the uniqueness of Vishwakarma, that they give also the full freedom for the faculty as well as for the student, so that the qualities are achieved and maintained on a good level.
The way they want the students to participate, the enthusiasm that they bring in the classes is just really good. Yeah, like when there are shy students, even they just something happens with them, like yes, we can do it. So it's a big achievement in that, because for a student who is not open, who is very inconfident or something like that, it is an amazing thing. So a lot of credit should be given to Vishwakarma for that.
The overall atmosphere is so welcoming that you actually feel like coming to college and studying every day. They not only teach us technical stuff, but we also have visits to places where we can learn new information every day.
One thing here I would like to specifically mention that we are planning to develop this campus as a campus lab, which is a kind of an experiment where there will be experiments, there will be practicals conducted where the whole campus will itself act as a lab. So there will be real life scenarios in which different let's say machines or different projects will be implemented, and results will be taken, but the whole campus will be like learning lab.
The IBM workshop gave us an opportunity to think out of the box. The IBM experts gave us an awareness of the market and the industries. We enjoyed a lot and had overall a great experience.
What is unique about Vishwakarma is I think the values that we impart here. We also believe in rigor. Academic learning is not just about chalk talk or PPTs or classroom. We believe that an overall holistic development of the student is important, and that is where we are very different. For every session that we take, we have a lot of planning that goes behind it, right from the session plans to the technologies that we use. Even the pedagogies that we use are not the run-of-the-mills. We try and adapt here to the students and to the subject or the course that we are teaching.
We teach students the syllabus, industry connect and humanity. We try to inculcate humanitarian values in students, and we generate the global citizens for this world.
I would say faculty and student relation is very friendly. At the same time, we communicate the discipline also in the students.
I'm very much proud to be a part of Vishwakarma's story.
Yes, I'm proud to be a part of Vishwakarma's story.
I'm proud to be a part of Vishwakarma's story.